Jod bura ma kaunti ma Siaya okwa mondo omiyo were chutho koda weche giko mago mag chwalo nyime wach mar thecho oko apisi gavana ma kaunti ma Siaya James Agri Orengo maendi en kwayo moketi kod jadbura ma Alego Usonga Samuel Atandi e kinde giko mane otwak kod jopiny e kaunti ma Siaya.
We don't want anybody to impeach Orengo. We want Orengo to be removed through the ballot next year. So if there's anybody in Siaya planning to impeach Orengo, I want to persuade you not to do it. It's unnecessary. It's an adventure which you don't have to do it. It's a waste of time. We have a candidate as people of Siaya. We are going to vote for that candidate to remove Orengo. Somebody will work with the people of Siaya, will consult the people of Siaya, and will ensure that Siaya is a progressive county. Because Orengo has failed, so he's going into this thing called Linda Wananchi so that to cover his poor management skills. If you talk to his peers, go and talk to somebody like Farah Malim, the owner of Farah Malim, he tell you about Orengo. He's somebody who was notorious political conman. Even Raila knew he was a conman. That's why Raila used to keep him close. Not because Raila loved him, not because he was superior, just to keep him close. So as we are not Raila, so we are not going to keep him close. Yeah, we have no time for him. So he has no development record. Every time he wakes up, he attacks President Ruto. But just go to the governor's office in Siaya. There's no electricity there. There's no power. His office is full of corruption. You are aware of those 500 people who are employed for 9 months. And later on, it turned out that they were not genuine employees, but most of them paid for those positions. His house here is, is smelling. His house here in Siaya is smelling, but he's always talking about President Ruto. He's always asking for Ruto to do things. So his mentality is not modern mentality. Because you want somebody to do for you things, but you are given a chance to do that thing, you can't do it. So you just want to be calling other people to do for you. So it's somebody you want to forget about. I have told the Luo community that you should forget about Orengo. He has no development in his name since he was born. Even in his village there, the Honorable David Ucheng is one that has done some development projects. The road going to his home is mud and dust. After 50 years of being a politician and being a minister, the road going to your home is still mud, and you want to tell us that you want to bring revolution.